Oh God, I was CC up to the kitchen today. She a fried ginger. That girl can't cook. Allow not. Oh, all right. CC, where you up to? CC, tell them. Make them know say you cook where you there. Okay? Okay? Now, if people don't know about ginger, get a whole heap of flavor. All right. Me know nobody come talk to me about no pork and no Adventist and no Sabbath. Me and Jesus and God will talk about this at a later date. All right? Because it's not the food where you eat the for your body, but it's the word that come from your mouth. All right? See there? Yes, the pork they are cooked nice and brown. Because I don't use brown in the meat, you know. And I'm a lazy girl style. When you can't cook, you just don't have this little time and brown your meat, make everybody brown, flip it like a dollar can, yeah, from side to side. Oh God, the pork looks succulent and nyammable. Oh, look at that. All right, coconut. Oh God, that country should come from, yeah. Me I go find my coconut and me I go buy it and me I go juice it. See there, see rich milk. Where coconut powder I go? Where can coconut I go? Me don't want them something in my food. No, so look for the pork. Mighty God of Daniel. Season to the bone. And I see the carrot, sweet pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, rosemary. Everybody a baby in the pot. Oh God, rich, real rich and thick. All right, she don't know shadow. Yeah, she don't know shadow. Hot water upon the chicken. All right, so people, this is what the hot water do for me. Kill some of the rawness and make the chicken more tender. So when I dip it in a master egg over here and master flour well seasoned, it come out nice and soft and succulent and crispy at the same time. Yes, CFC, CC fried chicken. Yeah, man. And me say, yeah man, dash it in over this another flour and make sure say everybody get them a dose of flour. And then we're going to put on the aisle, now the hot aisle and make everybody fry. Put good amount of oil in the because you want to deep fry it. Me used to use the air fryer thing, but the air fryer not give me the right fry. So I'm trying every time I eat it, yeah. So this is it now, people. All of our girls can do this, but I'm going to tell you how this do, you know. This is the Shelly rice, okay? Can't use too much water, can't use too much milk. You understand me? You have to portion the thing and just know how to do it. Cover it. Put the stove on low speed and make it just go and cook. Look at Shelly and Fraser Price. Oh God, look there. Look on the dinner. Oh God. Yeah man. Me know if me never married already, me get one husband today. Oh geez, see the carrot juice over there. So, oh, real carrot.